A heavy spell of rainfall is set to affect parts of north, northwest, and eastern India over the coming few days. The India Meteorological Department has forecast active monsoon conditions to continue across the northwestern states, with heavy to very heavy rainfall expected in the northeastern states and the eastern states of Bihar and West Bengal. The forecast has prompted the Weather Office to issue a red alert for several areas in West Bengal, Sikkim, Assam, and Meghalaya.
The active monsoon conditions are likely to continue over northwest parts of the country, eastern India and northeast India. Accordingly, we are expecting heavy to very heavy rainfall activity for the week over Assam and Meghalaya. Also, we are expecting extremely heavy rainfall activity today over Meghalaya. In eastern parts of the country also, South West Bengal, Sikkim as well as Bihar are likely to see heavy to very heavy rainfall activity. And today we are expecting isolated extremely heavy rainfall activity also over South West Bengal and Sikkim. Accordingly, a red alert has been issued for South West Bengal, Sikkim as well as for the Assam and Meghalaya Meteorological Subdivision.
The hill states of Jammu and Kashmir, Uttarakhand and Himachal Pradesh are also bracing for a wet spell over the next 4 to 5 days. Orange alerts have been issued across these regions, while parts of Uttarakhand remain under a red alert on Sunday due to the possibility of extremely heavy rainfall.
The hilly states, Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand are likely to see active monsoon conditions and enhanced rainfall activity. Heavy to very heavy rainfall activity is likely to continue during the next 4 to 5 days. And also we are expecting isolated extremely heavy rainfall activity over Jammu and Kashmir during 20th to 22 of July, over Himachal Pradesh tomorrow and day after tomorrow, that is 21st, and over Uttarakhand today and tomorrow. Accordingly, orange alert has been issued for all the regions, and for today, Uttarakhand red alert has been also issued for extreme level rainfall activity.
Meanwhile, the National Capital Region is expected to get some relief from the hot and humid conditions that have prevailed over the past few days. The IMD has forecast rainfall activity in the coming days, which is likely to bring down daytime temperatures.
For Delhi NCR, we are expecting generally cloudy sky conditions to continue throughout the week and very light to light rainfall activity during the next 5 days. However, tomorrow and day after tomorrow, we are expecting activity to increase and we are expecting moderate rainfall activity over Delhi. So accordingly, the temperatures which are currently near about 35-36 degrees centigrade, we are expecting a fall in maximum temperatures and they are likely to be below normal during the week.
The IMD has urged people in affected areas to stay updated with latest weather advisories, as heavy rainfall could trigger waterlogging, flash floods and landslides, especially in hilly regions.